Welcome back. Robbers struck 3 houses in Chorao on Wednesday night. The robbers broke a lock of the gate of one house and threatened senior citizens that they will kill them if they open the door. Chorao people blocked the traffic on Thursday morning, demanding security and immediate action from the government. People from Chorao informed that robbers have struck almost 10 houses in Chorao in the last 15 days and no action has been initiated by the police officials.
हातीन के लॉक काडटा आसतना ते ताजे मिस्टर ते पडले चोराचे थंड करून आमकां आवाज आयलो भितर बिस्कुटार कितें करता जाल्यार पळोवन आयलो जाल्यार मागीर काड जाल्यार भितर आयले आनी लायटी पेटयल्यो जाल्यार ते म्हणाले दारू कडच्या तुका जितीन मारतले म्हणटा हांवें म्हणलें ओगे रावलो दारू कुडकूच ना मागीर सकाळीं उठून तर या पळय जाल्यार लॉक कातरलेले चोरी कांय जाता चोरूंक कांय पावना आतां हे दार तर मोडलेले जाल्यार ते भितर येतले जाल्यार आनी चोरी करतले जाल्यार कितें आमकां जिते मारतले जाल्यार कितें पूण करतले आमी दोगांय जाणटे आहा
चोरान तांकां सांगलें दार उगड्या मारता तुमकां म्हणून दॅट मीन्स आय थिंक ना देयर इंटेंशन वॉज दॅट आय थिंक they are known person. They will identify them because they are correct.
They are from here only. Amcha only one simple demand ki amka jay chorak dhorpa.
आमच्या चोडना हाली जायत्यो चोरयो जाल्या आनी एका फाटल्यान एक बंद आहात ती घरां फोडटा आनी आतां जिती आहात तांची कोण कोण जाणटी आहात तांच्या घरांनी येता म्हणटा लोक भिरांतींची येता म्हणून आमकां जाय आमच्या लोकांची सेक्युरिटी नंबर 1.
So we demand action on priority basis from SP North for the island of Chorao.
सुनी येते आठता सुनी आमची घरां आमची इतून जाय आमची घरां फाटली त्या घरां
दार उगडे ना जाल्यार तुमकां बस सांगला तेन्ना
प्रोटेस्ट करपाक बिकॉज वी आर पेइंग नोबडी इज टेकिंग एक्शन देखून रस्तो आडयलो कित्याक नाजाल्यार कांय जायना येता सुण्यान घेता दाखयता वयता येतात आनी सगळे सुसेगाद लोकांक जे पळय वयर जुट्टेर आसले तेंकांय सांगलें येता येता कोत्तलो अशें सगळो पळयता सगळे पळयता कोण पळयता आमी पळयता मागीर कितें जाता पळय तसले सगळे आनी वी विल नॉट टॉलरेट ऑल सच नॉनसेन्स वी वॉन्ट सेक्युरिटी ऑफ द फॉर वी वॉन्ट सेक्युरिटी दॅट इज आवर मेन फॉर एवरीबडी ऑन द आयलंड.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
A reporter in Chorao, Udaipurab.
The union government is likely to follow Goa's footsteps to cut down petrol prices. Union government is likely to reduce the excise duty on petrol. Sources reveal that the government is considering Oil Ministry's proposal to reduce excise duty on petrol. This move will benefit the consumers as well. The government at present levies excise duty of 14.45 rupees per litre of petrol. Reports reveal that oil companies are losing over 9 rupees per litre by selling petrol below the international price. The excise duty on petrol was lowered by rupees 1 per litre in 2008 by the government when the international crude price had touched $140. The government has sent feelers to oil companies that it might cut the excise duty on petrol. The move will help oil companies recover 8,000 crore rupees of under-recoveries. This move will benefit the consumers as well. State-run oil marketing companies had deferred the petrol price hike last week. However, aviation turbine fuel price and auto LPG prices had gone up. The reduction of excise duty on petrol is intended to avert the looming hike in the prices of petrol. Meanwhile, Goa is witnessing a boost in sale of petrol after the prices were slashed down. Various petrol outlets in the state are seeing a twofold increase in petrol sale.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Maundy Thursday is also known as the Holy Thursday. It is the holy day falling on Thursday before Easter. It commemorates the Last Supper of Jesus Christ with his 12 apostles. In Catholic churches, parish priests pour water on the feet of 12 common people sitting at the altar.
Maundy Thursday is the 5th day of the Holy Week, followed by Good Friday. Holy Thursday is the beginning of Christ's suffering for 3 days before the Easter Sunday. This period is the celebration remembering the Last Supper, the crucifixion and the death of Jesus, and the resurrection to new life. Maundy Thursday commemorates the Last Supper of Jesus Christ with the apostles. Christians remember the Last Supper when Jesus took bread and wine and shared them with his disciples. Christians continue to share bread and wine as part of their worship in church. On this night of Thursday, Jesus was betrayed by Judas.
तुम्ही खून केलेली जाय तुमच्या जिविताचे तुम्ही खुशाल जावंक जाय तुमची खून तुम्ही रोखोक घालून जायते भाशेन जेजून रोखोक कॉरिडॉर उदकच्या हे सोगले जेजून केला मोगदार जेजून केला तो जेजूची पेट बांदुऱ्याची न्हूय तुय मोग ना जाल्या मोगाचे बांदपाक ते बेटी ना जाल्यार ते बेटीक बांदूंक ना
Our reporters Jason Suarez and Savio Dias with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Villagers of Orly are opposing a construction coming up in their area. They say the builder has commenced construction against the resolution adopted by the Gram Sabha last year. They inform that the project is in the low-lying area.
The villagers informed that builder has not maintained necessary setbacks during construction. There was no site inspection carried by the Panchayat authorities at the time of sending file to the TCP. Further, they mentioned that there is no mechanism for collection of plastic and other non-biodegradable garbage.
This project is coming up here, okay, in a low-lying area. As you can see, all the ground above is on higher ground, okay, and they are building below 2 meters. And they are constructing. They have not left the required setbacks that are supposed to be left, and they are building now in an area, and they have constructed so-called temporary structures with over 3 meters high height, okay, from foundation from the ground level. Further to which, today you will see a tanker here, but for the last 20 days or more that this construction has started, they have built a well and they are using the well water for the construction. Our neighboring wells are going dry, the barns will go dry, the trees will go dry in this month. As it is only facing a severe water shortage, people who have wells are at peace, but people who are getting water from the PWD know exactly what is the flow of water here.
The villagers also informed that project with 2 stories is not as per the Gram Sabha resolution adopted at the time of formulating the RP 2021. A reporter in Orly, Samir Bhatt.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.